Introduce my wife's turn.
Kate Middleton was a victim of deliberate misuse after hospital worker tried to sell information from her medical records. The Information Commissioner's Office has concluded its investigation into a breach involving Kate Middleton's medical records. The Princess of Wales, now 44, was hospitalized in January 2024 for an abdominal surgery at the London clinic.
They are lying to us.
It appears to have escalated into a potential health record.
It was reported 2 months later that at least one staff member at the hospital attempted to illegally access the Princess of Wales's medical records. Over 2 years later, on Wednesday, June 17, the Information Commissioner's Office, ICO, announced that it had concluded its criminal investigation into the unlawful obtaining and disclosure of medical information to a third party without the consent of the data controller, related to a breach reported by the London clinic in March 2024.
Hospital where
Introduce my wife's turn.
The healthcare professional from the London clinic, who the Mirror reported was fired after an internal investigation, received a formal caution, with the ICO concluding that a caution was the appropriate and proportionate enforcement response. The ICO added that the staffer's conduct involved the deliberate misuse of highly sensitive personal information and an offer to disclose it for financial gain, representing a clear breach of trust.
it appears to have escalated into a potential health record.
Theories are a sort of rumor, but they are a very particular.
Ian Holm, Executive Director for Regulatory Supervision, said in a statement, "People should be able to trust that the personal information they're giving to healthcare settings is safe and protected from exploitation. When this trust is broken, it's right that the law allows us to take action. We will not hesitate to pursue criminal prosecution where it is necessary and proportionate to do so," he added. Can't get enough of People's Royals coverage.
Introduce my wife's turn.
Sign up for our free Royals newsletter to get the latest updates on Kate Middleton, Meghan Markle and more. Additionally, a spokesperson for the London clinic said, "We all take considerable pride in delivering the very highest standards of care and discretion for every patient at the London clinic. We are pleased our work with the ICO has brought this sad and isolated incident to a conclusion. There were no regulatory breaches by the hospital," per The Guardian.
Theories are a sort of rumor, but they are a very particular kind.
Her return to work is on track. Prince William.
Princess Kate retreated from the public eye after her abdominal surgery in early 2024 to recover. In March of that year, she publicly revealed that she had been diagnosed with cancer and had begun treatment. After spending much of 2024 out of the public eye, the Princess of Wales shared in early 2025 that she was in remission. "It is a relief to now be in remission, and I remain focused on recovery," she said in a statement shared on social media.
And once you're believing in that.
The intense interest in the Princess of Wales.
As anyone who has experienced a cancer diagnosis will know, it takes time to adjust to a new normal. There is much to look forward to. Thank you to everyone for your continued support. In May 2026, Princess Kate made an official royal visit to Italy, her first overseas work trip since she announced her cancer diagnosis.
Record.
Theories are a sort of rumor, but they are a very.
This visit is an important step in the princess's recovery journey. She takes great joy from this work, a royal aide told People at the time. That's what we can say. Don't forget to support our channel by liking, commenting, sharing and subscribing. We thank you all for your support.
To help, or those perceived need for help in the
Hack. At least one staff member at the London hospital.